Welcome to Emma's Natural Creations. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to see all my new videos. Hello beautiful people, I hope you are doing well. So today I choose to share with you the easiest mask for hair that I have ever tried. Actually, it's my go-to mask. I can prepare it in just 2 minutes and I put it on my hair for 1 hour and I go take my shower. Actually, this mask is very moisturizing because of the honey that I will put on it, and it's very nourishing for hair because of the mixture of oil that I will put on it. The first and main ingredient that we will use is honey. We will need only 2 ingredients, only 2. So the first ingredient is honey, and the second ingredient is a mixture of different oils that you have at home. Here I have sesame oil, I have almond oil, I have coconut oil, I have olive oil, and the last one is argan oil. So I will try to mix all these ingredients together and I will show you the second part of this video.
Chẳng say